Hello, I'm Karen and welcome to Packaging2Buy. We are part of a group that has been trading for over 25 years, specialising in packaging solutions. We offer a friendly, reliable service, providing only top quality, cost-effective packaging materials. Whether you're a business, organisation, or you're looking for some packaging for your own personal use, we have a dedicated team on hand ready to help. We supply anything from cardboard boxes through to moving packs if you're moving home, as well as a very comprehensive range of other packaging materials, from postal packaging, wrapping and cushioning, or packing room equipment, for example, all in stock and ready to order. Ordering is simple. You can order quickly and easily online. However, if you prefer, you're more than welcome to give one of our team a call. We'll be happy to help. Why not sign up to our newsletter to receive exclusive discount offers, or follow us on Twitter at Packaging2Buy. And to thank you finally for watching this video, please see your discount code below, which will give you a 10% discount off your first order.